Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my international teaching process class, that is MCQ on Gestalt Part 5, and this is the final part of this segment. So, I am Sudhanya Sengupta. Let's start the topic. Field theory represent more or less an outgrowth of the Gestalt psychology. So, Gestalt psychology is the correct answer. William McDougall has developed the system of the psychological which is uh, popularly known as the Hormick psychology. So, Hormick psychology is a new uh, word. So, what is Hormick psychology? In 1920, that is William McDougall introduced the Hormick psychology, that is the seeking, straining, and foresight with the instinct serving as the primary motivation of the behavior. So प्राइमरी मोटिवेशन बिहेवियर का जो प्राइमरी मोटिवेशन है उसको सीकिंग स्ट्रीनिंग और फोरसाइट ये सब विद इंस्टिंक्ट ये सब कुछ मिला के हार्मिक साइकोलॉजी होता है. Who defined psychology as the positive science or produce of the living creatures? That is the answer will be William McDougall, who is very popular in psychology or for his theory of instinct. So the answer will be here also the William McDougall. McDougall has the considered that is the instincts of the important because they are the primary movers of our activities. So yes, this is the answer. So hereditary, learn to speak and the speedy movers, none of the above. ये सब जरूरत नहीं है. The answer will be the primary movers of our activities. William Wordsworth's name is associated with the dynamic psychology. William Wordsworth made the clear COR formula, that is the better formula of than more SR formula of the explanation of the various aspects of the, that is experience, behavior, intelligence, creativity. So answer will be behavior. McDougall has borrowed the word hormic and the Greek word that is the horm, which mean is arch. So the hormic mean is arch. According to the McDougall, the positive act terminates when the organism reaches the goal. The answer will be A, the goal. McDougall was opposed the fact of the human behavior could be interpreted in the terms of the learning, not the perception, not personality, not intelligence. This is called the learning. Who has considered instinct as the release mechanism or just easily exploding the containers of energy? So the answer will be A, MC McDougall. McDougall has related to their activities of a person generally lead to the goal or end. Such activities are known as the uh, purposive activities or the behavior. He also mentioned that if these activities lead the person to a goal or end, there must be some kind of the energy behind those activities. He termed this energy as the instinctive energy. McDougall in 1908 has depicted his most famous theory in instinct in his book, that is the theory, the book name is Introduction to Psychology. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my international teaching process class, that is MCQ on Gestalt Part 5, and this is the final part of this segment. So, I am Sudhanya Sengupta. Let's start the topic. According to the McDougall, the center part of the instinct is the emotional aspect. For McDougall, the perceive certain food orders when one is hungry constitutes. So the number A is the cognitive aspects of the instinct. Field theory represents more or less an outgrowth of the Gestalt psychology. So, Gestalt psychology is the correct answer. After 1932, M.C. McDougall has substituted a different term of the instinct because that the term came into the some considerable disfavor and criticism. What is the concept? That is the propensity. Propensity means the some kind of प्रोबेबिलिटी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं इसको, ये हो सकता है, ये होने का चांसेस है, ऐसे हम जब बोलते हैं उसको ही हम प्रोपेंसिटी कहते हैं. McDougall revealed about the new kind of the modification of instincts later on. Such modification may take place through what is called combination of survival, combination of several instincts towards the same object. The resulting state is known as the sentiment. So thank you so much. Please keep watching and please subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.